Welcome to part 2 of a 3-video series regarding the Moxa UC8100 and InTouch Edge HMI. My name is Chris Carlson with Logic, Wonderware Great Plains, and in this video we're going to create our InTouch Edge HMI project and run it on the UC8100. Let's get started. Now that we've got our installation files on the UC8100, let's go ahead and add some screens to our project. So I've got a blank project. I'll right click on screens in the graphics tab and we'll just add a couple simple graphics here. Add a rectangle, apply a bar graph animation to it. We'll call it tank level. I don't have this tag created yet, so it'll prompt me to create it. We'll add a slider symbol so that we can change the level. And we'll also add some text to show the level and allow us to manually enter a tank level. Going to save the screen. I'll call it main. Going to edit the project settings to make this the default window. Next thing we want to do for an IoTview project is we need to save all of our screens as HTML. So under the big button in the upper left, under the Publish menu, Save All as HTML. This is also going to prompt us to enable the TCP/IP server module, which we need to do for IoTview. Next thing we'll do is check the mobile access settings. So come to the Project tab and select Mobile Access. On the Global Settings tab, I make sure that the Enable CGI checkbox is turned on. And when I'm developing projects, I also like to see lots of messages in the logger on the device. So I'll go ahead and turn on Warning, Information, and Trace, and I'll increase the verbosity level. Generally in production, we'll turn these back off and turn the verbosity back down once we know things are running correctly, just so that it doesn't fill up the error log. So once we get those settings configured, go ahead and hit the Save button. Now we're ready to connect to our UC8100. Click on the Project tab, and now we're ready to download our project. And then we can click the Run bar to start it. So the way to access the graphical screens running on the UC8100 is through a browser. So we'll open up a browser. And this is the shortcut to get to our particular screen. So we're prompted for a login. And our project is running on the UC8100, and you can see that we can change our tank level. In part 3 of the video series, we'll connect our InTouch Edge HMI IoTview project to the cloud and push data to Aviva Insight.